Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to find or recover your Bank of America user ID if you don't remember it. If you're already signed in to your Bank of America account, the easiest way to see your user ID is by opening the menu or profile section in online banking. Your user ID is often displayed in your profile or account settings. If you're not logged in and can't remember your user ID, go to the Bank of America website and click on the Forgot ID or passcode link on the sign-in page. Select the option to recover your user ID. You'll be asked to verify your identity by entering information such as your social security number or tax ID, your debit or credit card number, and possibly a one-time code sent to your phone or email. Once your identity is verified, Bank of America will display your user ID on the screen or send it to you securely. If you're using the Bank of America mobile app, you can also tap Forgot ID or passcode on the login screen and follow the same recovery steps. If you're still unable to retrieve your user ID, contact Bank of America customer support or visit a branch with a valid photo ID for assistance. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you find your Bank of America user ID, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.